Hello everyone, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to video edit without any software. You can just edit with your iPhone with default feature. So if you want to edit, then you should go like photos. Then you can choose videos, which one you want to edit. So I want to go videos and I chose this video and I will try to edit this video and I show to you. So if you want to edit, then you should look like top right and you can tap on edit buttons. Then coming some editing option like video trim, and you can adjust the color, and also you can use the building filter. Also if you want to crop, also you can flip, and also many options are here. If you want to edit, then you can try to edit this option. And if you want to more videos and for details tutorial about this software, I mean default feature, you can just let me know on comment box. I'll try to make new video. So that's it. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.